We are so excited to bring you the ultimate guide to 30A. This is going to be a multiple part long series, very detailed, of every single beach town here on 30A. Neighborhoods, restaurants, schools, you name it, everything about each beach town. We're so excited to be starting this series. And we are starting with none other than Dune Allen Beach, which is on the very, very west end of 30A. It's the first beach town here.
Well, this is my beautiful daughter Christina, and I'm her mom Sabine, and together we have a real estate team here, 30A to Destin and the surrounding areas, and we are partial to 30A. We do live here on the west end, and today we're going to show you our favorite communities. We're going to do a drive through to show you and point out some of the community that we like around this area, and also some of the restaurants. Christina used to work at Stinky's many years ago, and we're going to go all the way to the view on 30A. So come on and take a ride with us around this evening. It's beautiful.
Let's go.
We are starting off on the very west end of 30A. When you come on from 98 onto Highway 30A, one of the very first stops is Topsail Hill Preserve State Park. And this park is huge. It has over 1,600 acres. It's got 3 miles of untouched beach, hiking trails, campsites, cabins, and it even has a tram from the parking lot all the way to the beach. There are a couple of dune lakes inside as well, which are really rare. If you didn't know already, 30A has a ton of very, very rare coastal dune lakes, only found in about 5 places in the world, and we have a ton of them on 30A, which is really awesome. And this is a great place if you like hiking, biking, fishing, or just exploring nature. We did a whole video, a little bit more detail on Topsail, so I'm going to link that here if you want to go check it out. On the state park property, there is a coffee shop called Coastal Coffee, which is one of my favorites. I stop here all the time. It's very cute. They just started serving lunch here. They've got good coffee, pastries, lunch, anything. And you're welcome to use it even if you're not staying in the park or going in the park. You can access it right from Highway 98. So now as you head down 30A, we're going to pull into our first community here. This one is called Parkside. It's a brand new D.R. Horton community. They just started building here. Only a couple of houses are done so far. They're going to be single family homes from 4 to 5 bedrooms with a little bit of bigger floor plans. And they are adding community features in pool, fire pit, outdoor kitchen. And so that's kind of one of your new construction options on 30A. The next community we're going to be talking about is Cypress Dunes. This is an established community. It's a gated neighborhood. It's got an infinity pool, tennis courts, fitness center, nature trails, lots and lots of amenities in here. We've got a whole video on Cypress Dunes as well. So if you want to check that out, I'm going to link it so you can see a little bit more inside this community and in depth. Another community I want to talk about is Emerald Walk. This one has been around a while. It's got a mix of homes that are updated, some that are original, mostly 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes, but you are really close to the beach and it is more of a quiet neighborhood. So as you can see on 98, we have 3 Sons Barbecue. It used to be Elmo's Grill. Now it's barbecue. It's a great place to grab lunch or dinner. And then we have Butler Elementary School. This is the only school that's in Dune Allen Beach. Obviously, lots of locals go here. We have a big local community here in Dune Allen Beach. So now we're going to go ahead and look at some of the beach accesses that you have in Dune Allen Beach. And I think one of the highlights of Dune Allen Beach is you really do have a lot of public beach access with bigger parking lots, which I love personally about Dune Allen Beach. So this first one is right across the street from Stinky's Fish Camp. It's a newer access. They opened only a couple of years ago. And really, really nice access. And then you have Stinky's Fish Camp right across the street. They have Stinky's Bait Shack there as well. You can get live bait for fishing, and they do live music, all kinds of stuff in the bait shack. They have breakfast and coffee there as well. And then you have obviously the restaurant next door. Then we're going to go down to the next big beach access. This one has been here forever. It's a little bit more parking than the Stinky's access is. Another great beach access, and they are building another beach access right next to it across from Dune Allen Loop. Across from the Dune Lake, we have Stallworth Lake and Oyster Lake here in Dune Allen Beach along 30A. You can see as we're driving through here, absolutely beautiful, and that new access going right across the street. A lot of the neighborhoods in this area are not in specific communities. They don't necessarily have HOA. Some of them have covenants, but A lot of them don't have HOAs, and it goes pretty far back of just residential houses. And Dune Allen Beach is mostly residential houses. A couple of obviously commercial spots we've pointed out, but mostly residential. Here we're pulling up to the Santa Rosa Beach Golf Club and the View restaurant. The View is owned by the Santa Rosa Beach Club, but anyone can go there for dinner or lunch. Beautiful. It's on the beach. If you want a nice view while you're eating, it's a great spot to go. They have a pool there and pool restaurant, and then also across the street, the Santa Rosa Beach Golf Course. This is a private club, so you have to be a member, but they do have a beach membership, and then they also have golf and beach membership that you can join and use to be a member. Some people are full-time residents, and some people have a second home and they are members of the club. The last little spot we're going over is Dune Allen Loop, and this is where a lot of the residential area is in Dune Allen Beach. It goes back pretty far, and then you have communities all the way behind that, as well as the golf course. This area is very residential and has a lot of communities, and one little community that's right past the View that I didn't point out is called Bellamar, and that community is gated, and they have a lot of the Mediterranean style homes in there, and they do have their own private deeded beach access, which is a big plus for a lot of people looking for that in the area that's right across the street from the community and the View.
Thank you guys so much for watching our first part of our 30A Ultimate Guide tour. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe for all kinds of videos about 30A Destin and the surrounding areas, and we will see you in the next video.
Yes, and don't forget that if there's a particular community you'd like to have more detail, let us know, and we would love to film that for you. Some of the communities where we have listings in, like Sea Dunes, we have videos, and some of the other areas like Cypress Dunes and Bellamar, but we are more than happy to do more videos. So just let us know what you would like to see, and we will go ahead and shoot them. Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss
and goodbye.